Hello everybody, thank you so much for taking the time to watch my videos. I put a lot of time and effort into filming them, and so it means a lot to me that you are taking this time to watch them. I wanted to share a few messages with you. It won't take long at all, I promise. Number one is I accept prayer requests. Praying is something that is a part of my life. I pray every single day, and I have seen the power of prayer. And so if you are in need of anything, just go ahead and contact me. My email is right below in the description box. You can also private message me in social media, or just contact me and tell me what you want me to pray for, and I will be more than willing and happy to do that for you. Number two, if you're on social media, you should totally be following me. You can find me on Simple Faith by Annie on Instagram and also on Facebook. My Instagram handler is below, so you can check it out. But I post a lot more content there, pictures, also the Instagram stories. I post about my life, my kids, everyday stuff, and so we have fun, a lot of fun over there. So go ahead and hop on over and follow me. And the very last message is, if you are liking this video and you like my content, I share a little bit about everything. I share about makeup, skincare, recipes. I do vlogs. I do Bible studies. I share my faith. So if that's something that connects with you, just go ahead and follow me here in my YouTube channel. You can click that bell and just hit that subscribe button and go ahead and follow me so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video. All right, guys, thank you so much again for watching this, and hopefully we can connect. I would love to hear your story. I would love to hear, like I said, if you have any prayer requests, and I would love to share my faith with you as well. So, all right, thank you guys so much, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.